Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone meets specs, Android 8. 0 or higher and at least 2 GB RAM, faster CPUs help. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources or use a trusted store so the APK can install. You should also obtain the Emulator APK, the console BIOS that the emulator needs, and legally sourced game ROMs. Make sure to keep backups of current data. This prevents loss if something goes wrong during installation. You install the APK and accept permissions for storage and input so the app can read games and controllers. Next, place the BIOS file exactly where the app expects, often in /android/data/emulator/files/BIOS, because the emulator won't boot without it. Once the app detects ROMs, scan the folder and then configure video backend and frame limiter for your device, lower render resolution for weak phones. Finally, map controls and set audio latency. You now optimize for play. Enable multi-threading and lower rendering resolution to improve FPS on weaker hardware, and use frame skip if necessary for consistency. Once done, test different CPU core limits and rendering backends to find the best balance. Make sure to monitor device temperature and battery because emulation is demanding. If the emulator crashes, clear the app cache, re-add the correct BIOS, verify ROM integrity, and reinstall the APK. This sequence fixes most boot and compatibility failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.